friends, just wanted to let you know that this week is Animal Week. So what I'm going to do is teach you how to make different types of animals, 4 to be exact, with just using paper plates or basic art supplies. Ready? Let's go. The first animal we're going to make is a lion. It's very easy. All you have to do is color in the center of the plate yellow and then around the edges brown. You can use color pencils, crayons, you can use paint or markers as well. So I finished the yellow, so next I'm going to do brown all around the edge of the plate. So here we have the face of the lion, and then this is going to be its mane. Next, what you want to do is grab some scissors and you want to cut little strips just where the brown is, and they can be close together or they can be far apart. Next, we're going to make the face. If you have googly eyes, that's awesome. You can go ahead and put them on for your liking. I don't have them, so I'm just going to draw the eyes myself. Here are my eyes. I gave them eyebrows too. Next, we have to make the nose. The easiest way I make a nose is to do a heart shaped, like so. After you make the nose, all you have to do is do the end of an umbrella on both sides, like this. Lastly, we can't forget the whiskers. And there you have it. What I like to do is take some of the pieces and point them downwards to really get his mane all wild. You have it. Simple way to make a lion. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a fox. First, what you want to do is make a V shape at the top of your plate. Like this. Once you make the V shape, you're going to color it in with your orange marker, crayon, paint, whatever. Once you're done coloring the V, if you have plates that's high edges like mine, what I like to do is lightly press against it just to kind of flatten it out. It's okay, mine ripped a little bit, but that's all right. What we're going to do is actually take the edges and fold them on in. Now what you're going to do is see where the end of your V goes down to the edge of the plate. This is where you want your crease to be. You're going to take one side and fold it, and then the other side and fold it. As you can see, my V wasn't big enough, so I have to go back and fill that in with orange. What you can do with the edges is glue it, tape it, or staple it so it stays shut like this. After folding and coloring, we're going to go on to the ears of the fox. What you can do is have white construction paper or orange, and you're going to cut out, again, little V shapes. What I like to do is fold the piece of paper and cut just once a little V mark. This will result it to looking like this. And where the fold is where you're going to cut it equally. Now you have 2 ears. You're going to color them orange if you used white paper. Once you have your ears colored, what you're going to do is tape, staple, or even glue right on the back of the plate like so. Last but not least, we're going to do the eyes and the nose. If you do have googly eyes, you can go ahead and put them on. Also, if you have a black pom-pom ball, you can go ahead and stick it on the end for the nose. I don't have either, so again, I'm just going to draw it on in. And there you have it, a nice little fox. Our next animal that we're going to make is an elephant. Elephants are only going to be one solid color. You can use whatever color you want. I think I'm going to use pink. What you want to do is color your entire paper plate. Next, what you want to do is cut out 2 trapezoid-like shapes. I'll show you how to do it right now. Take your scissors, cut a slit on the left, a slit on the right, not too far, and then what you're going to do is just connect one slit to the other. Like this. You're going to do the exact same thing on the opposite side. Just make sure that they line up together. Now make sure you're going to save one of these pieces because this becomes your trunk. Next, you're going to do the eyes. For this one, instead of me drawing them myself, I'm going to take black construction paper, fold it in half, and cut out a circle. When I fold it in half, just like the fox's ears, it'll end up being 2 that's symmetric. After I glued on the eyes, I went ahead and added eyelashes and a cute little bow. Remember, these are yours. You can do whatever you'd like to make it your own style. Last but not least, the chunk. What you're doing is taking one of those leftover pieces that I showed you when we cut out the trapezoid. You're going to paste it a little bit lower than the eyes, like this. And there you have it, an elephant. Our last animal is going to be a penguin. What you're going to do is you're going to fold the edges and then fold the top. I'll explain. So like we did with the fox, what you want to do is fold the outer edges in to make sort of like a triangle, like this. Next, what you want to do is take this top part and fold it on down, just like this. After you have them folded, you can go ahead and tape, glue, or staple them down. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and color the folded part black. With this spot right here, you want to keep it white because that's going to be the belly of the penguin. Next, we're going to do the eyes, the beak, and the feet. For the eyes, what I'm going to do is take some white scrap paper that I used the ears with the fox with, and again, fold it in half and make one big circle. Next, you can take black construction paper and make 2 smaller circles, or you can just take a marker, crayon, etc. and draw them on in. Next, you can go ahead and stick them right where the crease is. Next, you want to make a triangle for the beak. What I usually do is use the edge of the paper and just do one up to the left and one up to the right. Here's my beak. Lastly, we're going to make the feet. What you want to do again is fold your paper right on the edge. Take your scissors and make that trapezoid shape we did before. Wider bottom part, you want to cut out 2 triangles. There's one. There's 2. Here are your feet. Now you want to color your beak and your 2 feet orange. Now what you want to do is add the beak in the center of both the eyes and the 2 feet on the outer edges of the plate. And there you have it. There's our penguin. And there you have it. 4 animals you can make with just paper plates. Please let me know which one you decide to try, and don't forget to send videos and pictures to basesbrookfield@edadvance.org. Have a great day!